Good afternoon, students and everyone. Homework for today, as usual, Friday. Last homework in this week. A grammar English book. Page 17. Short text. Family and friends. Let's read together. This is Otto. Otto is lonely. Otto sees a bird. Hello, says Otto. Are you my family? No, I'm not. You are a parrot. Look. Those are parrots. Otto flies to the parrots. These are parrots. Hello, says Otto. I am a parrot. Are you parrots? Yes, we are. But we are gray parrots. We aren't your family. Look, that's a green parrot. Otto flies to the green parrots. He is happy now. He is happy now. Great. Great text, family and friends. And question. Are you parrots? Your answer. And let's say 3 words together. First word is person. Person. One person, many people. 2. Thing. Thing. One thing, many things. And last, school. School. A place where children are taught. Right, students. Homework, do it. Send to me, you are the best. Remember that. See you on Monday. Bye bye.
I like to play all day. What do you say?